In this video, we'll walk through how to add a brand new part for a customer in the FloorVisio MRP system. This process begins at the home page and takes just a few steps. From the home page, go to the top menu bar. Left-click on View. From the drop-down, select View All Customers. Click the drop-down and choose the customer you are creating the part for. In the video, Sample Customer is selected. Click Continue. This loads that customer's workspace and activates all options related to their parts and orders. From the drop-down, choose Add New and then left-click on View Part. Type the new part number you wish to add to the customer. In this example, we will add part number New Part. Once you have typed the new part number into the form, left-click on the Add button. You now see the record for the new part number that has been created. Left-click on the button labeled Edit Part Information. You should now see a form with several fields. Go through each field and enter the appropriate information. Customer. This should already be filled in with the selected customer's name. Date created. Autofills with today's date. Part number. Enter the unique part number for this item. This will be pre-filled with the part number you have already entered. Part revision. Enter the revision level. Drawing number. If the customer uses a drawing or print number, enter it here. If it is the same as the part number, you can left-click on the same button located to the right of the entry field. Drawing revision. Enter the revision of the drawing. If it is the same as the part revision, you can left-click on the same button located to the right of the entry field. Drawing version. Enter the version of the drawing. Model version. Enter the version of the model. Part description. Enter a clear, concise description of the part. If it is the same as the part number, you can left-click on the same button located to the right of the entry field. Material type. Fill in the type of material this part is made from. If the material is supplied by the customer, left-click on the CUS Supplied button to the right of the entry field. Material cert. You can select what type of material certification is required for this part. Finish. Specify any surface finish or coating. The video shows powder paint being entered. Cosmetic level. Fill in the required cosmetic level if applicable. Heat treatment. Enter any heat treat requirements for this part. Part type. Supply the general category of part, for example, machined, fabricated, assembly. Engineered by. Fill in the employee's name who engineered this part. On the right side of the screen, there is a notes box. Add any part-specific instructions. When all fields are complete, review your entries. Please note that not all fields are required. At minimum, you should fill in the part revision and part description as a good practice for best results. The more information you provide will make searching your parts more robust as your system develops. Click the green Save Part button at the bottom right. Your new part is now created and stored under this customer. It will be available for quotes, orders, drawings, and all related workflows.